What shapes a person in their career? What shapes the identity of a person? One of the things I'm often told is that the fact that I work with the construction trade for 20 plus years has shaped my character. What do I mean by that? Well, they probably call me fairly straight talking and fairly blunt. And I think that's because in my formative years in dealing with the construction industry, I learned to be straight to the point. I learned to communicate with an audit trail. I learned that a contractor was fairly straightforward to deal with if you recognise the word contract. In other words, here's what we'll do for you, here's what you do for us in return. And if you fulfil the terms of the contract and clearly demonstrate that over a period of time with an audit trail and reporting back to agreed procedures, timescale, investments, etc., you can get paid. And if you go to a judge, you can also prove that you did that the correct way. Now, why I'm mentioning that? It's because, in a perverse way, it's probably why I really like dealing with people in the construction industry. They're not, and I'm going to use a terrible term here, but I'm going to use it, not arty-farties, as you find in some of the media trades. They're pretty straight to the point people. If you deliver what you say you're going to deliver, if you meet the agreed objective, if you lay out a framework of how it'll be easy to understand and how it can be measured, they'll normally be your best friend for life if you bring them results. That's pretty much me, dare I suggest. So I like working with construction, building, maintenance type trades. So for that reason, I'd love to hear from more people across the country. Despite our being Northwest based, we deal with companies all over the UK, with Skype, with LinkedIn, with video. You don't have to be sat in the same town or city as the people that you engage with. It's nice, but it's not key. What's more important to us is working with aggressive growth seeking businesses who really want to get a grip on how they expand the business, want to experience help to actually achieve those goals, but actually don't want to pay through the nose through a big expensive agency. Similarly, don't want to deal with a junior account handler or someone that doesn't understand their industry, doesn't understand the difference between a construction brief, or it be a specification sell, a commodity sell, don't know their project engineers from their architects, don't know their builder's merchant from their distributor, don't understand just the whole supply chain and the construction way of doing business. We do, I do. So for that reason, if you're in a construction related business and you want to get some help to get good high quality sales leads, to get more customers, let's have a chat. It's free to talk. We can talk over the end of a telephone. You know how ugly I am, I don't have to see your face, but at the end of the day, I think there's ways and means we could find to help you get more customers, more leads, and help grow your business if that's what you're looking for.